Hey, it's Natalie with Bella Bling by Natalie, and this is a quick training. I want to shout out and thank E, uh, Erica Cole, for her amazing training, helping us get set up with the premiere. So, shout you out, E. So, I had this cart for a while now, and I have used it next to my shipping table. I have torn up my bling room, y'all, so it's a mess, but it's all good, right? I want to show you this. So if you see like glimpses over there, some of the things, you may be like, what in the world? It's okay, it will be organized. But let's focus on this. So this stand with the multicolors, it's on wheels, as you can see down there. I purchased a while ago, and I have been using it, like I said, for my shipping packages and all. But it wasn't as organized as I had the idea to organize it now after listening and learning from E. She didn't necessarily talk about a stand or anything like that, but she was helping us set up the shipping easy and making sure our weight is correct in terms of additional weight for our packaging. I have used polymailers and plastic mailers for about 2+ years. I hardly ever use bubble mailers again. Ever, like in 2.5 years for sure, unless I really have lots of heavy jewelry. But then at that point, you're into the priority mailers, right? With the postal system. So, having said that, what is that I want to show you? So, this card has come in handy. I'll start with the top, okay? And these are the baskets, Dollar Tree, right? No kickback from Dollar Tree for me mentioning it. So I have, sometimes because my theme is Bella, and that's like an Italian word. We are a retired military family. We lived overseas. I loved Italy. So, I even say ciao Bella, when I greet my customers on live and other things. So what does that mean? I went and I purchased some cute little stickers, right, that have different places around the world. I don't use them as much as I used to, but I think that I actually will go back, and it adds like a nice little touch to the packages. I think I'm going to go back and do that. I'm going to spin around. You're going to see a lot of stuff, but I want to show you something and a reason. So I have this map that I got years ago when I first started. So you see Bella Bling by Natalie in all different parts of the world and famous sites. So that's the whole Bella thing, right? Okay, so sorry, y'all going to see all this. And so having said that, I have this basket. And, Paparazzi, they give these. So I do use them periodically. If I have something that has like a lot of rhinestones and things like that, I will sometimes still, wrap them in this before I put them into my poly mailers. But, why not, right? They're free, thanks to Paparazzi putting them in our packages. I have my tape here. I have a free gift sticker that I put on any like Hostess rewards, anything I'm giving for free. And then sometimes I will seal with a thank you on the back of the poly mailer. All right, these are super easy. I got mostly all of these from Amazon. And so this has this here. I don't really use this, but it is a nice like level platform if you needed to use it. Again, this is sturdy. So what did I do? So like I said before I listened to the training, I was using these drawers, right? You can even see I actually stuffed these in here because when you order these, you get these free from the post office in a big box. So if you didn't know that, check it out. You can get your flat rate envelopes for free, y'all. They ship them to you in a big box. So I have those there for like the Z's and things like that, that if I have several things that weigh, over that pound, right? So what have I done now? So I have organized based on what I already had and how I have been shipping with these little clear with the adhesive seal, right? And then I have my poly mailers here. So these are old Christmas ones, and then these are different ones, poly mailers. I love poly mailers. I love like seeing what's new, and they're so inexpensive. I order from You Pack and Ship, but I need to check and see if Amazon can beat their price. But I think You Pack and Ship seems to be pretty good. I haven't done a comparison yet. So, and then here, these are the clear. So what I have in here is I start with Bella 1 because on the premiere, you want to give your package a name. So Bella 1, is clear, and then Bella 1 is the poly, and then Bella 2 are these a little bit larger. And in Bella 2, these are 7.5 by 10.5 in size of Polymailers. And then here will be these clear ones. They're going to go in that drawer, and I'm going to stick Bella 3 on that drawer label. And then the next drawer below that is going to be Bella 3 Poly, which are these longer Polymailers, right? And so I will move this drawer because I'm going to need it for when I move this down. I'm going to get rid of some of those, right? Put them in another location. But I just kind of wanted to show you, this has worked well using Polymailers, as well as using this setup here. I can just, like, when I'm standing at my table, I just open up, grab, right? And now with Premiere, I don't even have to use my my scale. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that baby. She's come in handy all these years, but I don't have to use her anymore. So that's why I love Premiere. I have done Shopify, comment sold. I even have a training here on my YouTube channel of when I used to use it. I loved Shopify, but Premiere is it, y'all. So I just wanted to show this to you. I hope this is helpful. Shout out if you have any questions.